Hey everyone! Today we are going to be building a habitat. What's a habitat, you ask? A habitat is a place where an animal gets everything it needs to survive. A place to live, a place to get food and water, and a place to make a family. What's a shark's habitat? The ocean. What's a camel's habitat? The desert. What's a sloth's habitat? The rainforest. Today, you're going to be building a model of your habitat. Use the laser cutters in your classroom to cut out all the pieces you need to build your model. You don't have to laser cut everything, but be creative about how you build your habitat. In your habitat, be sure to include space for your animal to sleep, a place where they can get their food and water, and a space for them to play with their friends. I built a habitat for a bear. I laser cut my bear out of pink cardstock. I left some grass for her to play in with her friends, a stream for her to drink out of, and fish for her to eat. And then I made trees for her to curl up and sleep under, or the mountains where she can sleep when it's cold and rainy. For my habitat, I cut all my parts out of cardboard and colored paper. Check out the lesson plan for my parameter settings when cutting out these materials. One helpful tip for the project is to cut out triangle supports to hold all the elements of your habitat, just like this. Ready to get started? How are you going to build your habitat?